Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC settings, and in this video I will show you on how to display battery percentage right here in your Windows PC. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this will tell you the actual battery percentage you have on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your startup menu on your Windows PC. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to settings. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to system. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on power and battery. Next thing we want to do right here is to come down below right here and we'll make sure we turn on this button right here. Once you turn on this button, then you have the percentage appear in your battery right here. Just like what you have right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.